Welcome to the new tutorial for INVOLI.live. We did a number of short videos, which are explaining how to fully use the functionalities of our service. We invite watching them, or alternatively check our knowledge database accessible here, in the bottom left corner. The receiver panel will be available only to the owners of INVOLI G-1090 receivers, who bought, installed, and managed them. Click the receiver's icon to open the left side menu and see the total number of the equipment attributed to your account. To close the panel, use the I button in the top left corner. Here, it is possible to search for a particular device by entering the text or using the filters. They will help you to search for active or offline receivers or for these, which require firmware upgrade. Operational status field can be adjusted and used according to the customer requirements. Clicking on the selected receiver from the list will bring to its location on the map and highlight it in blue, as selected. Other visible active receivers will be shown in green. The offline receivers will be presented as gray icons with crossed line. Please select the small arrow down to expand the receiver's details view. As mentioned, the operational status is for the customer future use. The model will be usually G-1090 for a moment, but we plan to have more options here in the future. Firmware update will be proposed for the devices which don't run the latest version. And the last line is giving the indication about the time when the receiver was recently seen as active. It won't be present for devices being actually online. Now, the firmware over-the-air update procedure will be presented. It can be started only for the receiver, which is online. For the device, which is not running on the latest software version, the Update Now button will be present. Please click it, and the new window will be open. Confirm to proceed or press Cancel to exit the process. Until the software update is in progress, what takes usually about 20 minutes, it's always possible to stop it. Let's press the Abort button and confirm the decision. After a while, the aborting update status will appear, and next, Update Aborted status will be displayed. Press Dismiss to come to the end of the process and to be able to start the update again. Let's trigger the update once more and wait until the successful end. At the end, when the software upload is finished, the receiver will reboot and come back online automatically. The status will change to Update Complete and Dismiss button will be visible. Pressing this button will finish the receiver's update. INVOLI team, thank you for watching this tutorial video.